Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you students? Are you well? All right. Welcome to English grade 9. Today we are going to talk about reading skills. And why do we read? We read for different purposes. हम आगे उसके ऊपर बात करेंगे. So reading से related, our SLO is to apply the skimming and scanning strategies for finding the relevant information and also main points that we find in a text to identify the writer's purpose and also intended audience. We are going to focus on skimming and scanning, though there are so many other reading strategies as well. We are going to see a list of them, but we will be focusing on skimming and scanning, and they are very helpful with your reading comprehension. चाहे आप कोई इंग्लिश प्रोफिशिएंसी टेस्ट दे रहे हैं, इवन इन योर एग्जाम्स यू आर गिवन अ पैसेज टू फाइंड स्पेसिफिक इंफॉर्मेशन, मेन आइडिया, की पॉइंट्स, और यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड एनी नंबर, फिगर, डेटा, स्टैटिस्टिक्स. तो इन चीजों को करने के लिए we have to be good readers and we have to apply these strategies in our reading. So this is our learning outcome. Now, what are the different purposes for which we read? Yes. क्या purposes हैं reading के? Why do we read? Yes, students. Students from the Zoom class. Can anybody tell me 2 or 3 reasons for reading? Yes. Learning new information. What else? We read for entertainment,
Sir,
for passing time.
what is learning?
Good.
Skills of learning, skills of reading.
Yes, to improve our skills of reading, to get specific information, to get the main idea, to get the moral lesson. So there are so many different reasons. Even we read the newspaper sometimes to find a job. We read newspaper to get information and to know about opinions, to know about what is going on in the world. So there are so many different purposes. Okay, when we are talking about reading strategies, strategies क्या होती हैं कि क्या अप्रोच होनी चाहिए रीडिंग की, ताकि जो रीडिंग का मकसद है, जिस मकसद के लिए हमने वो टेक्स्ट उठाया है, वो मकसद पूरा हो जाए. So there are strategies like skimming, scanning, intensive reading and extensive reading. Now we are going to focus on these two. However, I'll also talk about intensive and extensive reading after we are done with these two types first. All right. So let's talk about skimming. Skimming, लफ्ज निकला है skim से, निचोड़ निकालना, gist निकालना. Why? Because we want to know. और जो आप जानना चाह रहे हैं वो पूरे टेक्स्ट में फैला हुआ है, इसलिए आपको क्विकली पढ़ना पड़ेगा to get that information. Skimming is used to quickly gather the most important information or gist. Okay, why are we applying these strategies? To save time, to save our effort. अगर हम सही टेक्निक, सही स्ट्रैटेजी अपने रीडिंग पर लगाएंगे, then we can answer any question within few seconds or even less than a minute. But if you are unaware of these strategies, then you will take a lot of time, जितना नहीं लगना चाहिए. So in order to make our reading efficient, in order to make it quick, we use skimming. All right. Now, I hope that you can see over here. Since we are talking about reading, you're going to read this paragraph very quickly, students, so that we can actually talk about a question. इसके बाद एक question आएगा, but first you have to read it. Let me read it for you. Let me dictate it. In recent years, evidence has been collected which suggests that the proportion of British children and teenagers who are unhappy is higher than in many other developed countries around the world. For example, a recent published report set out to measure well-being among young people in 19 European countries found that the UK came bottom. The report was based on statistics and surveys in which young people answered questions on a wide range of subjects. The United Kingdom is a relatively unequal country with a relatively high proportion of young people living in households with less than half the national average income. This seems to have a negative effect on how they feel about themselves. All right. We know what is it about. It is about the people of Britain, especially British children, and we are talking about teenagers and their problems. Now, we have read it. Now we need to answer this question and choose the right one. What is the gist or main idea of the paragraph which we have just read? Number one, parents are to blame for the state of children today. B is a report with many conclusions and worries about the United Kingdom. And C is growing up and unhappy generation. And D is there are so many social problems young people face today. So which of these sentences is the right one that describes the overall idea of the text that we have just read? Yes. Is it B? It is a report with many conclusions and worries about the United Kingdom. Or you can say that growing up an unhappy generation. Now we are talking about young children and teenagers. They are unhappy. जो एक सर्वे हुआ था उसमें the children of UK came at the very bottom. The youth and children of UK came and they are growing up as an unhappy generation. यही बात हुई. Let's go back. Evidence has been collected which suggests that the proportion of British children and teenagers are unhappy is higher than in many other developed countries around the world. जितनी भी developed countries हैं उनमें जो proportion है British children and teenagers की that is quite low. For example, a recently published report set out to measure well-being among young people in 19 European countries found that the UK came bottom. So this is about the unhappy generation of the United Kingdom. यही इसका gist बनता है. All right. Now, what we just did is we skimmed the paragraph. हमने कुछ भी छोड़ा नहीं है. Quickly पढ़ लिया. We highlighted the keywords. Keywords क्या थे? Unhappiness, developed countries, undeveloped, United Kingdom we are talking about the income and all those things. ये हमारे highlighted keywords थे. Quickly हमने इनको पढ़ा and then we came to the conclusion that this is about an unhappy generation growing up in the UK. All right. Now, what are some more things जिनके ऊपर हम skimming technique या strategy को use करेंगे? We have newspaper. When we are reading a newspaper, we quickly get the journal news of the day. We look for magazines to quickly discover which articles you would like to read in more detail. All right. So magazines, news articles, you have journals, you have your newspapers, जिसमें you quickly find out newspaper के कितने pages हैं? Like more than 5, more than 7. So you quickly go through that and see the headline and you go back to the page mentioned over there and then you quickly go through that. And within a minute you are aware कि ये article जो है किस बारे में है, क्योंकि हमने skimming strategy use की और हमें पता चल गया कि ये article या ये opinion इस बारे में है. Main idea फौरन से हमें click हो जाएगा by using the skimming technique. Same goes for the magazines where you have different articles, different kinds of text available. Maybe there is a poem, there is an article for health, for well-being, there is an article for decorating your garden, or maybe there are jokes. So a lot of things are available in a magazine. So quickly go through that. Which one is of my interest? Go through the page and then just you can quickly find out what is your interest और आप क्या पढ़ रहे हैं और उसमें क्या चीज mentioned है. ऑलराइट, इवन योर एडवर्टाइजमेंट पैम्फलेट्स जिसमें एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स हैं, you quickly give a quick overview and you find out that this advertisement is about this, ये इस डेट को पब्लिश हुई, it is about a job or it is about any other affair. Now also the brochures, we also go through that quickly to get the information. Now how do we skim? This is very much important. Before skimming कौन सी चीजें माइंड में रखनी है ताकि हम क्विकली उसके आंसर तक पहुंच जाएं या उसके जिस्ट के पास पहुंच जाएं. First, the first and most important thing is, students, you have to read the title if there is any title mentioned. Title को skip करेंगे because the title is actually giving you an idea what is the text is about. So you have to read the title, or even if there is a subtitle, subtitle को भी पढ़ेंगे. We will read the introduction or the first paragraph if there is one. Yes. So you have to go through the introduction जो text को introduce करवा रहा है. Alright, read the introduction, read when the body starts, read first paragraph of first sentence, the topic sentence of every paragraph, go through every paragraph, don't miss it. And most importantly, जो टॉपिक सेंटेंस है हर पैराग्राफ का, उसको आपने लाजमी पढ़ना है, क्योंकि द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट इन अ पैराग्राफ, द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट लाइन इज द टॉपिक सेंटेंस, द ओपनिंग लाइन, उसको हम पढ़ेंगे. और देन वी विल रीड द फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ and all these different paragraphs. Now, this is a job vacancy announcement advertisement that is found in a newspaper. Now, it's not readable over here, but if you see something like that, vacancy announcement, we know that this is a job advertisement. All right, position is mentioned, qualifications, salaries, everything is mentioned over here, and you have to quickly go through that. And you can see what salary are they offering, when to join, what are the qualifications needed to be capable of doing this job, etc. All these things can be easily found using the skimming technique of reading or strategy. Now, all right, I hope आप लोगों को समझ आ गई है. Why do we skim? What information can we get? Now, if you are reading a newspaper, any newspaper article, any news story or article, क्या करेंगे सबसे पहले? In order to skim it, focus on the title, then opening paragraphs, first sentence of remaining paragraphs, the topic sentences. जब आप इस तरीके से न्यूज़पेपर के आर्टिकल को पढ़ेंगे तो क्विकली आपको पता चल जाएगा व्हाट इज द आर्टिकल अबाउट, इसका क्या पोटेंशियल है, किस बारे में बात हो रही है, और मैं क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूं आगे आने वाले पैराग्राफ्स में, मैं क्या इंफॉर्मेशन यहां से निकाल सकता हूं या निकाल सकती हूं क्विकली. So these are the things that you should be looking for. And if you're skimming any magazine articles, क्या करेंगे? Title, subtitle or any byline, any all other titles, सबसे पहले उस पे फोकस करेंगे. Opening paragraphs, then you will see photographs or captions. Photographs होंगी, captions होंगे. It will give you a very good idea what the article is about. If the article is about being a good photographer, then you can see a lot of pictures of different angles and camera shots, and you will be aware, oh, okay. If the pictures are about, let's say, it's for being good at your job, study hard, or all these things, तो pictures आपको बताएंगी कि article में इस तरह की चीजें आ सकती हैं. You also have to look for the captions, then go for the headings. Headings बनी होती है ना कि हर paragraph के साथ, with every paragraph you have subheadings, main headings, so you have to go through them. First sentences of every paragraph is very much important, and you cannot miss the last paragraphs. Last paragraphs में क्या होता है? Conclusion की तरफ हम जाते हैं, conclude होता है सारा मैसेज, वो भी पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी है if you are applying the skimming strategy on any article. तो ये चीजें हम फोकस करेंगे एंड दिस obviously takes time, but as you go on skimming and you start developing this habit, then you can quickly scan everything. Now notice करें, हमने नहीं कहा कि सारा पढ़ें आप. We are just saying first line, last line, go for the pictures, look for the title, and that's how you do skimming. All right. Now when we are talking about non-fiction text, उसको हम कैसे स्कैन करेंगे? We know that there are fictional and non-fictional texts. Fiction में you have to go through the main idea and उसमें ज़्यादा reading होगी. But non-fiction text को आप किस तरह skim कर सकते हैं? First, let's say you have a book. Focus on the front and back cover of the book jacket. जो बुक के पीछे जो हार्ड कवर है या पेपर बैक है, बुक का जो लास्ट जो एंडिंग वाला जो कवर है बुक के पिछली साइड पे, उस पे ब्लर्ब होता है. इट गिव्स यू इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द बुक. यू रीड द टाइटल ऑफ द बुक, गो टू द कवर पेज, इनर पेज देखेंगे, और दिस इज हाउ यू बिगिन स्किमिंग योर नॉन फिक्शन टेक्स्ट. Then you will talk about, then you will go through author's credentials. Who is the author? क्या credibility है author की? Is the author a doctor? Is he an engineer? Is she a pilot? एंड तो हमें आइडिया हो जाएगा कि ऑथर के क्रेडेंशियल्स को देख के, उसके अचीवमेंट्स को या उसके बारे में जान के कि व्हाट विल बी कमिंग नेक्स्ट इन दिस बुक. तो ऑलवेज गो थ्रू ऑथर्स क्रेडेंशियल्स एंड ऑल दीज रेलेवेंट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द ऑथर. देन यू विल गो फॉर टेबल ऑफ कंटेंट्स, जो आपको बताएंगे कि जो आपको बताएगा कि इस बुक में ये कंटेंट्स हैं. It's available on this page and that page, and there are subtopics. So this whole table of content is what you're going to give a quick overview. All right. Then you will go for preface and first and last chapters. Now when we are talking about scanning, quickly we have to scan for the relevant information. Let's do this quickly. Now same paragraph जो हमने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले किया, we are going to find how many European countries are in the report. Can you quickly find it in few seconds? Yes. Where is it? 19. Yes. 19 countries. Quickly हमने scan कर दिया. That's it. Now you have to go through all these different steps, specific information, and look for clues, look for dates, numbers, statistics, figures, maybe fractions, all these things to quickly scan for such information. So conclusion is that skimming is used for main idea, for getting the main point, and scanning is used for very specific information that we need. जैसे हमने find out किया how many countries, and then quickly हमने 19 को देखा, we are like this is our answer quickly. हमने सारे पैसेज को नहीं पढ़ा, हमने क्विकली उस आंसर को फाइंड किया यूजिंग द स्कैनिंग टेक्निक. दिस इज योर वर्कशीट दैट यू विल गेट, एंड also a skill sheet is attached as well. This is all about today's lecture, students. Reading strategies called skimming and scanning, both are very important. You do them quickly, but they are used for different purposes, but the idea is same. Get the information as quickly as possible. Take care of yourself, students. Allah Hafiz.